What's up, guys? In this video we are going to do the second part of the seeding. We started a couple days ago. We had soaked some snap peas, some giant Italian parsley, broccolini, and some spinach because they were older seeds, so we're going to hedge our bets and see if we can get some of these to germinate normally. The rest of my seeds also came in. We got some carrots, we got some arugula, and we have some lettuce mix. So we will go over seeding all these and starting the process, and I'll explain what my plan is for all the direct seeding coming up. We're gonna see if we see any taproots on any of the seeds we soaked. I actually let them go for 2 days because I didn't see any taproot development yesterday, and we do see a couple. Let's see if I can show you. There's one right there and right there. So we do have a couple on the parsley. I don't see anything happening on the broccolini. And this is just in a wet paper towel. He's been kept wet for 2 days. The spinach is doing something. They're harder to see with the camera, but they're there. There's little itty bitty taproots on at least some of them. The goal is just to give them a head start, and they will obviously stay wet for another week in the soil, but we're gonna go outside, or rather I'm gonna go outside and fill some soil since you guys have seen that process, and I'll be back inside and we will do the seeding. So it's actually a gorgeous day again. It's high 50s here in Western North Carolina, so I decided to seed outside. We'll see how well the lighting works. Anyway, I've already done the holes in all of the trays. Just a couple quick things I wanted to go over. So we have the spinach here, the Bloomsdale spinach, broccoli, Raab, parsley, and peas. These are all 48 cells, except for the peas. I have bigger plastics that just have larger squares since peas just grow bigger. The root system is pretty robust. So I'm going to do 2 peas per cell. So we've sprouted these for 2 days, and you saw the tap roots earlier. I believe so the spinach and the broccoli Raab had a 1/2 inch deep. The parsley had a 1/4 inch, and the peas are always deep, so they're at least 1 inch down. The other thing I did was to hedge. I sprinkled a little bit of this Mykos, and it has the an active ingredient of a specific fungi, which is Rhizophagus enteridices, and it's just a root colonization fungus. So as soon as the roots come out, we're going to try to give it as much help as we can. So I will do a quick seeding of all these guys, show you the watering, and then we'll place them in their final resting place until germination. All right, everything's been seeded and watered, and I'll put the vermiculite on it inside and I'll give it another spray. And we'll check on these guys the same time we check on the ones we seeded a couple days ago, the lettuces, chard, and the kale. And I'll keep you updated. Thanks for tuning in.